This is Oliver, 16 months. You ran your rocket, buddy? Ollie, where you going? Where you going, buddy? Yeah, can you turn around, come this way? Whee! Oh, pff. We had a collision. You're running over your airplane, buddy. You gonna get off and get it? Oh, good job. Get it out of the way. Oh, careful. Hi, buddy. Hey, Oliver. Oliver, can you say hi? Hey, Ollie, can you show us how you clap? Can you show us how you clap now? Whoa, sit down on it. You gonna dance? Oliver is learning his colors, mommy style, with paint samples. And he loves his milk. You want some help, buddy? Here. Up. Ollie. Oliver, can you wave bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? Hmm? Can you wave bye-bye? Yeah. Okay.